여러분, 안녕하세요. Hello everyone. Today I have these apples given by my favorite Oni, and these apples are so delicious that I decided to make them into an apple upside down cake. Shall we start baking? For the caramel syrup ingredients, we have brown sugar, butter, heavy cream, salt, as well as cinnamon powder. For the cake batter, we have cake flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, eggs, vegetable oil, milk, vanilla extract, and an apple. So to start with, first we are going to make our caramel syrup, and we are going to combine the caramel syrup ingredients in a saucepan and melt them in medium heat. When you have all your ingredients inside the saucepan, you'll just need to continuously stir them until all the ingredients are melted and form a thick syrup. Also, cinnamon powder is an optional ingredient, so if you don't like cinnamon on your cake, you can just skip it. Here we have the baking pan with the sliced apple and also the hot syrup that we just made. I'm just pouring all the caramel syrup in the baking pan, and make sure to evenly spread the syrup inside the pan. Now we're going to prepare the cake batter. So in a bowl, you're going to add all the cake batter ingredients, starting with the wet ingredients. From eggs, sugar, oil, milk, and vanilla extract. You're going to stir all these ingredients until the sugars are all melted before adding our dry ingredients. Here, I'm just combining all the dry ingredients before I add them to the wet ingredients. Now we're just going to combine the dry and wet ingredients and stir them until you cannot see any lumps or until you get a smooth batter. Now we have the cake batter and the apple with caramel syrup. We're just going to pour all the cake batter into the baking pan and make sure to spread the butter evenly. So this cake will go into the oven, and we're going to bake it for 30 to 35 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. After baking, you're going to test your cake, and if it is well cooked, you're going to cool it on a cooling rack for a few minutes. So while the cake is still warm, you're going to run a spatula on the side of the cake, and you're going to turn it upside down using a plate. And right here is your delicious apple upside down cake. Enjoy!